Thank you for purchasing a birth announcement template from Kenna James SVG Studio. I'm Trent, the shop owner's tech-savvy son. In this video, I'll show you how to edit your birth announcement template using Cricut Design Space. If you're using Silhouette Studio, refer to the video description for the separate video using that program. When you complete your order on Etsy, you will be able to download the zip file. First, extract the zip file. On Mac, you just need to double-click. On Windows, I believe you need to right-click and select Extract. Once you've extracted the zip, you will be able to see the template in a variety of formats. When using Cricut Design Space, the file ending in .svg is the one you should use. With that, let's go to Cricut Design Space and begin customizing the template. Click New Project, then use the upload screen to upload the SVG file. Select the uploaded file to add it to the project. Okay, now that we have the template open, let's add some text. I'm using the word first in place for the first name of the child. Now, I'll change the font. The font I'm using is called Pharmacy MMX. This is a free font that you can download by clicking the link in the video description. Cricut Design Space chooses a letter spacing of 1.2 as default, but I prefer to use 0.3. Now, drag the word to the appropriate spot on the template, click the Unlock button, and use the resizing box to stretch horizontally and vertically as shown. Next, let's add the middle and last names. Duplicate the first name text box by right-clicking and selecting Duplicate. Double-click to edit the text. Once that's in place, I'm going to repeat this process for the rest of the birth statistics. Both AM and PM are included in the template so you can indicate the time of birth. In the case that the time is AM, simply delete the PM group. To do this, first we'll have to ungroup the AM and PM groups from the overall template. You can do this by clicking on the template, right-clicking, and clicking Ungroup as shown. Then you can select the template boxes and send those to back so that the words appear in front of the boxes. In this example, I want it to say PM, so I've deleted the AM and moved the PM over. Two versions of the word inches are included in the template. In this example, you can see that the dot on the letter I is overlapping with the number 1. So using the same method I used to delete the AM and move over the PM, I'm going to delete this version of the word and move the alternate version into place. Now, let's change the colors of the words to match the template and remove the boxes. Change the material color of the first name, and send it to back so that it's behind the boxes. You'll need to ungroup the boxes so you can delete them. Just right-click and click Ungroup. Now I'll delete the rest of the boxes and change the colors of the words to match. Now that the template is complete, there's a final step to ensure that everything cuts out properly. If I click Make It Now, you'll see that the pounds, inches, and PM words aren't shown properly. To ensure these words are cut together, select them and click Attach. The words included in the template will now cut properly. As an optional step, you can attach the horizontal and vertical lines to give you a guide when transferring vinyl. However, this will result in wasting more material than needed. Awesome. Looks like we're done here. Please don't hesitate to ask any questions in the comment section below. Peace.